Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So this reading is about no contact. So we will try to know their feelings and current energies of your person. Okay, whomever you are thinking, whomever you are dealing with. So you can think about the person and we will see how he's feeling, how he or she is feeling right now, and current energies we will check their feelings. Okay, and also we will pull out some guidance card, and also we will see their messages for you, and we will take out the initials also. Okay, so let's start the reading. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers, whoever new to my channel, welcome, and whoever are constantly supporting me, thank you so much. If you need personal reading, you can see my details given below in the description box. Then if you need different kind of readings, you can mention in the comment section, and I love to read all your comments. Please let me know if my readings are resonating with you or not. These days I'm little busy. For past 2 weeks I'm busy, so I can do only one reading per week, but most probably next week I'll be free, then I will do more readings. Okay, so that's all. Please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Take whatever points are matching to you or resonating to you. Please take them and leave the rest. That's all I can say. So without wasting any more time, let's start the reading. So I have two piles here. The first one is this turquoise heart, and the second one is the yellow heart. So whichever you are intuitively connected with, you can select the pile, then we can continue. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can select the pile, you can meditate on the pile. While I'm shuffling the cards, you please concentrate and think about your person, and pray to God and archangels so they can give you the correct reading. Okay, so let's start with the pile number one. Whoever chose this turquoise heart, this reading is for them. Okay, let's start. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. No contact, there is no communication between my viewers and their person. So please give us some clarity, please give us some guidance. Okay, I think I got all the cards here. Cards are flying for pile number one. One card came reverse. Okay. One more is there somewhere. Okay, that's all. So let's start the reading. Let me arrange the card, then I can start. Okay, few cards fell down. Okay. The first card is Four of Swords. Then the second, Two of Swords. The next one is Five of Pentacles. Then the Fool. Ten of Wands. The Devil. Knight of Cups. The Empress. Then Eight of Cups. Okay, so these are all the cards I have. Actually I wanted only 6 cards, but spirit guides gave me all the 9 cards here. Then we will see the overall energy of this person currently. Okay, so overall energy is Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so I can see that this person is working very hard, okay, on his money, finance, and stability. Okay, clearly I can see that this person is working on his other things than the love situation. Okay, his concentration is right now on his money. Okay, on his finance, career and all. So let me tell you the signs here. I can see almost all the signs are here, but I can see Capricorn is strong here, then Leo is strong here. Apart from that, I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is general reading, so all the signs will be there here. So I can see almost all the signs. Okay. So let us see. So I can clearly see that there are fire sign and earth sign strong here. You might be air sign and you might be fire sign and your person might be earth sign, or your person might be fire sign and you might be earth sign. It can be vice versa also. Okay, so let's start the reading. So first one, overall energy is that person is very busy with his money, career, finance. Okay, so maybe this person lost his job, because I can see here Four of Swords. Four of Swords means this person is praying. He's wearing all the arms and he has some thread on top. You can see three swords hanging. Okay, so this person is praying hard for the situation. So this person is not ready to take any action. Okay, this person is simply like taking rest. Okay, maybe he is very much tired of this conflicts, or maybe he is very much tired of responsibilities, because the responsibilities card is there below the Four of Swords card. Okay, so this person is currently taking complete rest. He is not thinking about anything, anybody. Only he wants to concentrate about money, career, finance, job. That's all, and that also almost it is finished for him. So he is ready to finish it off and this, and only one pentacle is left. After that he'll be free. Okay, so maybe whatever he is waiting for, it will be completed. His task will be completed. So next one is Two of Swords. So this person is very much confused and he's blindfolded. He's not willing to see also what is the truth, what is the fact. This person is completely confused whether to go this side or that side. He is not sure. Okay, I can feel that there is some third party situation also. So this person is feeling strong, like deceptive energy. This person feels like something is not clear to him and he is not willing to know also. So he is confused about two people in his life right now. So this person is sitting and waiting. He's keeping his guards up. So he is very straightforward, frank, but he is confused because he wants to take the decision, but he is not sure how to take the decision. Coming to the next card, this Five of Pentacles. So Five of Pentacles also tells us there is some deception involved. This person is feeling betrayed or deceived by somebody. Maybe it is you or somebody else. But this reading is for what are his current feelings towards you. So this person, somehow he feels like you have betrayed him, or you put him into a third party, something like that. Then he is feeling very much wounded. He felt like he got hurt by your actions, your feeling, the way you talk, or the way you did something in the past. This person is very much wounded. He got hurt. Now he's going back, actually going away from this connection. That's what I can see, because this person is feeling very much betrayed. And next card is the Fool. The Fool card is in any case, he want to know the truth. He want to take leap of faith. He want to take a big step towards you to know the truth. He want to take a daring step. So like sometimes it can be foolishness also, sometimes it can be a foolish act also, sometimes it can be a brave act also. This person want to take an action to know the truth, because this person is suffering a lot, because this four of swords shows that he's folding hands and praying to God to solve this situation. Definitely this person is thinking about you. Then this person is praying God, do something, do some miracle, and you solve the situation, give me some clarity, what exactly happened. I feel that there is, for many of you, there must be some sudden ending of this connection. There might be sudden ending of this relationship. Maybe some of you are wife and husband, I can see that. And some of you are like friends with benefits. Okay. So this person is feeling like I should take a leap of faith and go towards my person to know the truth actually. So he has no intentions of anything else right now, current energy. Just he want to know the truth. He want to come towards you. He want to take a big step towards you, and he want to know what exactly happened. Why this misunderstanding happened? Why this miscommunication happened? Why this tower moment came in our relationship or connection? So this person is deeply thinking and he wants to know. Then sometimes he feel like he wants to walk away. This eight of cups always this person is walking away, and in some different side of the coin, like this person feels like this person is coming out of a relationship and coming towards you. Maybe this person is coming out of any third party situation, as we thought first that there is a third party. So this person is thinking of coming out of the third party and come towards you. Okay, this person wants to come towards you, or in other case this person feels like this is very very impossible thing to manifest. This connection has lot of struggles, conflicts, lot of burdens. He feels like that, and this person is walking away from the cups. These cups are all are standing here waiting for this person, but this person is walking away. Eight of cups. Okay, because this person feels like it is very burdensome. Lot of responsibilities are there, lot of conflicts are there. This person is feeling lot of burden on his shoulders because of this connection. This person maybe this person is acting like he doesn't care, he's very fine, very much fine without you. Then he is really happy with another person or third party situation, but this person actually carrying this connection as a burden on his shoulders and on his mind. Okay, this person, because this person is not able to understand what happened exactly. In a split moment something happened and your connection collapsed like a tower moment. Everything collapsed within no time. So this person is carrying that burden, the 10 of wands. He's carrying on his shoulders. Then he's walking with that burden. And this person is not able to bear that. This person feels like, no, I should come out of this and I should get some clarity. Whether it is positive or negative, I should know the truth. I should get some clarity. So this person is thinking like that. And with the devil card, this person is might be trying to forget this connection through addictions, maybe drinking or smoking or something else. Okay, this devil, because he is obsessively thinking about you day and night, 24/7. This person is thinking about you. He's watching social media, and then he's looking at your pictures, and he's not able to sleep at night, sleepless nights, and obsessively, like devilish energy. This person want to have you in their life, very passionate, very attraction, so much attraction towards you. Then this person feels like want to have a sexual reunion with you. So this person is obsessively thinking. Maybe this person thought that you both will be together forever, and maybe this person might have built so many dreams around you. then this person now missing all those good things, good feelings, then good moments that happened between you. So he's thinking obsessively. Maybe this person is having your photos and all, this person is constantly looking at them, and sometimes this person is crying also at night. He feels very lonely, and because in any card you can see he's alone. Okay, this person is like crying, and this person might be having a mother, maybe a single mom he is with, or this person is not having any other family members with him, so he is feeling very alone, lonely. So this person is constantly thinking about you, why this happened. So this is a kind of a devilish energy. Then now slowly he's thinking of coming as a knight. So Knight of Cups, that means he wants to come towards you and offer his cup of love. He's planning, actually. He is planning to take an action. So till now he was praying God all these months. Maybe I feel that you have separation of 10 months, or 10 is significant for you. I can see here 8 and 10 are significant in this connection. So this person is feeling that pain, loss. Okay, so now this person want to come towards you. So as a Knight of Cups, because a lot of love, lot of affection, lot of feelings, lot of emotions, so much, so many feelings are there. So now this person is planning to come towards you, and the Empress means it is a very positive card. He looks at you like Empress, like marriage material, wife, mother of his children, or father of her children. Okay, so this is what is happening with him right now, currently. Okay, so right now definitely this person loves you a lot. Maybe because of third party or financial situation or job situation he is not contacting you, but pretty soon this person will contact you, because Knight of Cups is there. Definitely this person want to come towards you and offer his cup of love. Okay, then definitely he wants to have a family with you, reunion with you, because Empress is there. So many of you, I can see that you both are married, married couple, and you are in separation. So this person want to come towards you because he knows that you are his Empress. Okay, so he looks at you like you are having lot of everything you have, and you have so many options also. You are beautiful, you are wealthy, you have everything, you are confident. So this person want to come towards you with the Knight of Cups, and definitely this person will contact you soon. That's what I can feel. Maybe in the month of October, because 10 is prominent here. So I can see maybe in the month of October this person will come towards you and offer the cup of love. Okay, I can see lot of synchronicity here. I can see 2, 3, 4, 5, then 8 is there, 10 is there, then 15 might be important for you. Okay, so definitely this person want to take a leap of faith and come towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. Then we will see the what guidance universe want to give you. What guidance universe want to give you. Okay, again the Empress card. This is a double confirmation. Okay, again the Empress card. Empress card means it is a marriage, or like a togetherness, reunion. Okay, like a wife and husband relationship. Empress card is a very strong, powerful card, like a queen, queen of queens. Okay, Empress, Emperor, Empress. Empress is a very strongest personality in this tarot deck. So mother of the tarot, you can say that mother of tarot deck. Okay, so he looks at you like this. Even universe is saying that you are the Empress, you have all the potential, you have all the manifestation, you are Shakti. Okay, then you can get whatever you want to have. Okay, so universe is also blessing you that you will get whatever you want, and you have a you are the creator. See, this lady is pregnant. Okay, so you are the creator, you can create, you can get whatever you want. So everything is very, very positive, pile number 1. So let's see, maybe some of you might be single mom. I can see, because Empress card came twice. That means whoever is watching, maybe you are a single mom, maybe you are separated from your husband and seeing this reading, Okay, so I can see child also. Okay, so let's see what are your person's feelings, your person's messages for you, your person's messages for you. Let's see your person's messages for you. Let's see your person's messages for you. Your person's messages for you. Your person's messages for you. Okay, so many cards came. Let's see, because this person want to say so many things. You both are in separation, so this person want to say. Okay, the first one is, let's work this out. Now this person want to work on this relationship. Okay, till now he is in no communication, but now this person want to connect with you, and he wants to work. I wonder if you are happy without me. So this person is saying, I wonder if you are happy without me, because this person is not happy without you. So this person is asking same thing from you. My love for you is unconditional. Okay, my love for you is unconditional. Definitely this person loves you. You can never know if you have truly in love until you get separated. Very sweet message. You can never know if you have truly in love until you get separated. Now this person is feeling that love towards you, because now you both are in separation. So now this person is feeling that pain. My past is haunting me, don't wait. My past is haunting me, don't wait. Because he might be coming out of the third party relationship. So this person is saying that my past is haunting me, please don't wait. Maybe the divorce case is going on, and this person says it will take time, so don't wait for me. Thank you for the warm feelings you gave. Thank you for the warm feelings. He's missing all those sweet memories and good times with you. I have thought of taking a trip with you. This person definitely planned to have a trip with you. And I lost hopes on this connection. I lost hopes on this connection, because this person feels that now it is impossible to reunite again. Maybe that many fights you had in the past, or that much misunderstandings you had in the past. So now this person is feeling like that. I am ready to fight for you. So this person now he is ready to fight for you, because other card also, let's work this out, and I am ready to fight for you. Now this person is ready to come towards you. Let's give second chance to this connection. See how sweet all cards are interconnected. Now this person is asking that let's give a second chance to this connection. Definitely this person wants a reconciliation with you. Candlelight dinner. Then we will have candlelight dinner. I miss you every moment of my life. So this person is missing you every moment of his life or her life. I am sorry. Yeah, surely this person is sorry, because whatever he has done in the past, that hurts you and him also. So now this person is saying sorry. I want to kiss you. So sweet. This person want to kiss you. This situation involves marriage. Definitely. He feels that this situation involves marriage. He wants to marry you. Okay. The Empress card, this message, everything shows that this person definitely wants to marry you. And this person is planning towards that, and definitely he will come towards you. Now let's see the alphabets of your person. Okay, these letters can be your person's first name, last name, or middle name, anything. Okay, the letter B, letter I, letter H, then letter T, letter U, and letter X. Okay, so for some people this can be your X also, but I want to take some more, because I think very less alphabets came. I'll take some more. Okay, then letter G, letter L, letter D, letter K, then letter V, letter Q, and letter O. Okay, so these are all the alphabets I have for you. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 1. It looks very promising and very positive reading. Congratulations, pile number 1. Okay, so let's move on to pile number 2. Thanks for watching. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If any one of your friends needs any guidance or help, please share my reading with them. Okay, until the next reading, bye.